Good morning children, welcome to mathematics class. Okay, in previous class we have started to solve. Let us practice 2.2. We have completed first question in writing in expanded form, then writing short forms, and then writing predecessor, writing successor. All one problem again I will solve, and then we will go for next, because to recall the previous content. Writing this number, only one number I will show for everything. 7476. First write the expanded form. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 into 7, 7000 plus 1s, 10s, 100 into 4, 400 plus 1s, 10s, 10 into 7, 70 plus 6 into 10, 6 into 1, 6. This is the expanded form and this is the short form. Second one, they have written expanded form. We should write the short form. Write each of the following in short form. So they have given it. This expanded to short form while writing, you come from the right side. So 2 1s, 30, 3 10s, 200 and 6000, 1s, 10s, 100. After 3 numbers give comma. This is short form. Write the predecessor. Third one. 567. Writing predecessor. What is predecessor? Predecessor is the number, the just before number of the given number. ಏನು ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದರದ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರೋ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಡಿಸೆಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ -1 ಟು ದ ಗಿವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ 567 minus 1. So 665. Answer is 566. Before this 566 only. 566, 567, 568, we will write like this. So predecessor of 568 is 567. Predecessor of 567 is 566. So whatever the number they will give, just before number of the given number is the predecessor. Then successor. One number I take 6587. Write the successor of the given number. What is the successor of this? Success means the just after number of the given number. Predecessor just before number. Successor just after number. So after this which number will come? 6587, 6588 are addition of 1. 6588 is the successor. So this is all about previous class. Now we will start question number 5. Counting by twos, counting by tens, counting by hundreds, counting by thousands. Okay, write this all things in your maths page. I hope you have written question number 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the question number 5. Counting by twos, counting by twos. Write the numerals from. First one, A. 2294 to 2304. B. 6000 6,887 to 6,597. Counting by twos. So twos means how many fingers we should hold? 2 fingers. We know that already. How many fingers we should hold? 2 fingers. Counting twos in the sense we should hold 2 fingers. Counting threes in the sense we should hold 3 fingers. So third finger, which number will come? That is the answer. Now we have to write counting by twos between these numbers, 2294 to 2304. Okay, this is counting by twos. So hold 2 fingers. You should not first number we will write 2294. This number you should not count here. After this you should count here. 2294. 95, 96. So 2296. After this 97, 98. So 2298. And then 2298, 2299, 2300. Next 2301, 2302. Up to this we should write. Next, one more number, 2303, 2304. 2304. See last number. Okay. Now this is over. Next we will go for next question. This is also counting twos. 6,887 to 6,597. First number we will reach 6,887. After this one number we should skip. 2 number hold. 6,887, 88, 89. So 6,889. Then 6,889, 90, 91. 6,891. Then 6,892, 93. 6,893. Okay. Next, up to 97 we should write 6,893, 94, 95. 6,895. Next 6,897. So that is the last number. Okay. This is skip count twos. And the next question, counting by tens. This is twos. Next, sixth one, counting by tens. Write the numerals from A. Counting by twos, then tens. 3,882, 3,940. Next B. 6,887 to 6,937. So these two problems we should do counting by tens. So first number 3,880. For this we should add 10 again, or you can count 2 times. This is the large number, big number, you can't count. So what you have to do is add 10 plus 10 to this number. So this will become 3,890. Then plus 10 to this. 3,090 plus 10, 3,900. Yes, you can add like this. Plus 10. 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 1, 9 and 3. Okay, 3900. Again add 10 to this. 0, 1, 9, 3. 3910. Again add 10 to this. 3920. Again 3930. Up to 3940 we should. So 3940 over. And the next one 6887. 6887. We should add 10 to this, then we will get the next number. So that will become 8897. You can add like this. Plus 10. So 7, 8 plus 1, 9. Then 8 and then 6897. Again you add 10 to this. 9 and 6. So 6907. Then 6917. 6927. Next 6937. This is skip count tens. Next, counting by hundreds. Next, which seventh problem? Counting by hundreds. A, counting by hundreds, the 3790 to 4090. B, 4999 to 5400. 499. So this is counting by hundreds. So we should add 100 to every number. First number you write it 3790. After this 100 you add for this 3890. Again you add 100 to this 3990. Again add 100 to this 3990 plus 100. 0, 9 plus 1, 10. This is 4. 4090. Again add 100 to this 4190. So up to this. They ask up to this. See 4090. Next, first number 4999. Add 100 to this. How much it will become? 5099. Okay, again add 100 to this. It will become 5199. Then 5299. 5399. Next 5499. Okay, like this you should do. This is skip count twos, skip count tens, skip count hundreds. And the next eighth one, counting by thousands. Write 5 numerals from 1778. Okay, copy these things in your file. And then we will go for next. Pause the video and write it everything. Okay, I'll go for next. Now 8th problem. Counting by thousands. Start from the number 1578. Okay, what we should do? We can't count in our fingers. So first number write as it is 1578. Next add 1000 to first number. It will become 2578. Again add 1000 to the second number. It will become 3578. Then 4578. How many they asked? Only 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5578. 6578. This is skip count thousands. Fill in the blanks. Ninth question. Fill in the blanks. A. The successor of a number is 1. The successor of a number is 1 dash than the number. B. The predecessor of a number is 1. The predecessor of a number is 1 dash than the number. C. Dash has no predecessor. D. The predecessor of the smallest 3-digit number is the predecessor of smallest 3-digit number is the dash 2-digit number. Next, E. The successor of the dash 4-digit number is the smallest 5-digit number. Just go through this. The successor of a number is 1 dash the number. Successor will be more than the given number. Yes or no? So answer is more. The predecessor of a number is 1 dash than the number. Predecessor always will be less than the given. So answer is less. Dash has no predecessor. Which number is not having predecessor? So which number will start from the first? We should think that. Before that there is no number. That is 0. Yes, we will start the numbers from 0. Next, the predecessor of a smallest 3-digit number is the smallest 2-digit number. Sorry, greatest. See, for example, the predecessor of smallest 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 100. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Write the predecessor of it. What will become? 99. So 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. So greatest is the answer. Next, the successor of the dash 4-digit number is the smallest 5-digit number. So it will be the answer greatest. The successor of the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999. The successor of the greatest 4-digit number is the smallest 5-digit number. So you should identify the successor of greatest 4-digit number, that is +1, we will get 10,000. This is the smallest 5-digit number. Got it? The first fill in the blanks is more, second B is less, C is 0, D is greatest, and E is also greatest. So this is 2.2, practice 2.2. So write these things in your fair notebook, maths fair notebook. Tomorrow I will explain about comparison of 4-digit numbers and then forming greatest and smallest numbers by using given numbers, then practice 2.3 and then exercise. This lesson will get over. If you have any doubts regarding previous classes, you can call me and ask me. These all things you should write in your fair notebook. Okay? Thank you.